Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo Rover, and this is the latest Bluetooth speaker from Oraimo Smart Accessories, and it comes with RGB at the front, and this light reacts to music. It comes with some amazing features too that you can see here, such as the powerful and punchy bass, Oraimo signature sound, IPX5 waterproof design, and FM radio, which I love. Now it says flip your vibe, and by the side of it you are going to see the QR code for Oraimo social media platforms, and if you flip to the back you are going to see some specifications and certification of Oraimo, like the Avid base and some stuff like that. Now if you flip over to the left hand side you are going to see black here, which shows that what is inside, or the color of the product inside, is black. Okay, so let's unbox this guy and let's see what stuff it's made of. Before we start the unboxing proper, I would like to tell you the price of this Oraimo Rovers. It comes in at 20,500 naira on Oraimo eShop website, but you can get it cheaper by using the discount code right on your screen. This is going to bring it down to 19,000 thereabout for you. So use the discount code right now, and let's continue with the unboxing proper. Okay. Wow, guys, look at that. So let's come back to that. Let's see what we can find inside. Nothing else, it's just the pack. Okay, wow, I love this presentation. Nice one, Oraimo. So what else are we going to find in the pack? Type-C short cable, and this is the user manual. It's quite lengthy. You can go through that and know how you can use your Oraimo Rovers. It comes in many languages. Here is the product itself. As you can see, it comes with this base side. You have to peel off this. Okay, you have to peel this off. Okay, so here is it. As you can see, guys, nice. So at the top you are going to see the button. I think this is the on button.
Power on.
You can hear the word power on, Bluetooth, and it shows this RGB light, and it has an indicator here. So I have to charge it first before the first time use, so I just want to quickly show you what you can get from it once you open it. And here you can see the port for the Type-C and also an aux port. Underneath it you are going to find some certifications and the specifications of this speaker. It comes with 2400 milliampere battery, and it can get a maximum charge of 5 volt 1 ampere, or you can use 5 volt 2 ampere charger. So here is an example of what they mean. So you get this kind of adapter. Don't use fast charger please, or you use a 5 volt 2 ampere charger. So charge it up before the first time use, and that will help you to get this guy last you for a long period of time. So you have to switch it off right now.
Power off.
And it says power off. I like this rope on it like this that I can use to hold it, which looks nice. It's very nice and strong. And at the back here it's just shining and nice. I really like this pattern, this design, this diamond design. Let me quickly show you how these guys sound.
Power on.
Let's connect it up. And it comes with Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest Bluetooth version in the market, and that is just awesome. As you can see, it's showing Oraimo Rovers here, so I'm going to select that. Pair with Oraimo Rovers.
Connected.
Set connected, and let's play a music that is not copyright, because I don't want YouTube to copyright my music here. Can you hear that? Let me reduce the volume of this guy. So you can hear that right now. It's very loud and full of bass. In my full review video, I'm going to explain how this guy works, how it lasts long, and some other things you need to know about the speaker. I really like this RGB, and I think this can be switched off. Some other things I'm going to explain in the review video. So subscribe, and if you want to buy, please use the discount code